We want to install the RStudio IDE, which is used together with the statistical software R. So for this, you first have to visit this website. Here you have to select the product you want to install, which is, or download, which is RStudio. Next, you have to decide which version, and we want to run the desktop version. So again, here we want to have the open source edition, which is fully enough for our purpose. Now we are here on the download side, so we download the free version, and now here you can see the installer for different operating systems. We pick the installer for Windows. And download it now. And run it. Now this will install RStudio on our system. We say next. We don't change any settings here, and install. So the installation is done now, and we have installed the system, on our computer. And the next is now we can start RStudio. And when we open RStudio, the statistical software R is automatically started too. And yeah, you can say yes or no. It's up to you.